Morning, Mirna. Thank you very much for your time. It's a pleasure having you today. You have been actively involved in the fintech scene in the Middle East. Could you give us a snapshot of the fintech ecosystem in the Middle East and the key trends shaping the industry?
Unfortunately, we have very, very high levels of unbanked population. A country like Egypt, for example, you have 100 million population. 60 million are bankable, only 14 million are banked. So you can imagine the challenge, but we see it as an opportunity. This is an opportunity for fintech. Out of the all like 22 countries in MENA, you have UAE has been spearheading every other market, Dubai and Abu Dhabi. You have Egypt, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, and now more and more, you've got Lebanon, Jordan, Morocco, these countries. So you have the capital, you have talent, incredible talent, especially in countries like Lebanon and Egypt and Jordan. You have a lifestyle that beats no one. Dubai, people move all around the world to come and be there. So what is needed is actually all the cogs of the ecosystem to really get activated and have the regulations in place to activate all of those pillars in the ecosystem and make banking available to, number one, the unbanked, and number two, the underbanked. According to FinTech Galaxy numbers, we recorded 282 fintechs as of yesterday.
All right.
282 fintechs.
In the whole region?
In the whole region.
All right.
That is compared to 105 in 2017.
And what can be done to improve that ratio, right? Because we're talking about 282, you mentioned, for a population of around 400 million.
Yeah.
How do we improve that ratio in terms of quantity and quality as well?
First of all, more money has to be pumped into entrepreneurship and innovation and fintech. Investors are still trying to understand what this fintech is all about. So we're trying hard to bring more money into the fintechs, and we've seen that. So we have, as of, I think, the third quarter of this year, 51 deals closed compared to 48 the whole of last year. Okay, so the number of investments has grown, and what's more interesting is more investment is going into the early stage fintechs. So you don't need to wait until you're proven and you have a track record that you attract investors. You're actually attracting investors early on.
How do you see the Middle East fintech ecosystem in 5 years? Would it be
Ask me
that
about
much
next
different?
Year.
Yeah, tell me.
I see some really exciting challenger banks, definitely. I see more consolidation in the banking sector. Some banks will become obsolete. I definitely see unicorns. And above all, honestly, I see a happier community and humanity. It's not about technology. Fintech is never about technology. It's never about making money to a group of people. It's actually impacting a whole society, changing the lives, making a difference in people's accessibility to finance, education, creating jobs.
Yes.
So I see all of that. Definitely. Fintech is the way forward.
Thank you very much, Mirna. That's a beautiful perspective. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.